We were able to take this toilet and just scoot it over just a little bit to give us a little bit more room in the bathroom. And then we were able to put in an ADA height elongated toilet for her instead of the small round bowl, so it's a lot more comfortable. And we installed her special toilet seat rail so that she can get off and on very easily. The old archaic countertop used to come out to here, so we just shortened it up a little bit for her. The homeowner's still picking out a mirror, so a mirror will go here, but we changed the light sconce and put better lights in for her, and we changed out the old rusted medicine cabinet and put a new one in for her.